So today we're in the beach city of Hua Hin to take a look at what kind of properties you can buy starting at $250,000. And we're going to look at a few options, starting with this brand new off-plan villa. And we're going to also look at secondary market, resale units, and also condos that are in amazing locations. And joining me in this video is Christian, who's a property consultant, and he's been in Thailand for 8 years now. And if you're looking for a property in Hua Hin, you can see the link in the video description or go to jetgunther.com. Here's Christian right here. Christian, hey. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, good having you. Thanks for coming over.
So yeah, we're actually at the back of the villa, not the entrance. So you just saw the pool area and all like that.
I kind of want to start with what are we going to look at today?
Yes.
It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool villa on a roughly 550 square meter plot. Mali Boutique is the project, so it's a brand new project of one of the best-selling developers here in town. It comes as a standard with fly screens, so that's the open plan living, Western kitchen. Benefit obviously of off-plan projects is that you can customize anything, right? So if you don't like these tiles, you don't like the kitchen, they actually give you a budget and you basically play around with it. If it exceeds the budget, you pay the difference of it.
So I like this wide kitchen here with this island, and it opens up to this patio where you can enjoy the nice weather and eat.
Yeah.
Really nice. I love this concept here. And then the pool is just right over there. Cool.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the living room.
So these villas come fully furnished. Again, you get a budget for the furniture. You go to their preferred supplier where they have a kit deal, and then you choose whatever you like. Again, if it's exceeding your budget, you pay the difference, right?
Nice. So that would be the first bedroom there, right?
Exactly. This is bedroom number 1. It comes fully fitted, fully furnished.
I like this wood finishing here. Yeah, nice natural beach kind of look.
Yeah,
light
so that's
coloring.
The laundry room or a little bit of a storage room if you want.
That's bathroom 4.
That's the shared bathroom, exactly. So for these 2 bedrooms, and that would be the second guest room. You can obviously also turn it into an office.
It goes out to the garden, really nice there. It has an outdoor shower, as you see here. And then you've got an outdoor, what's that? That seems like a laundry room.
No, that's actually a bathroom, another bathroom. So if you want to come from the pool, you don't have to walk through your living area to go to the toilet.
Really nifty. And so what we have next is the master bedroom, right?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, this has a little bit more oomph to it. Nice. Again, it overlooks that private pool of yours. Really nice. More closet space.
Fully fitted. And again, if you don't like the color, you can choose. If you don't like the fitted furniture, even you can get rid of it so you have more space.
Nice.
What I like a lot is these sliding doors as well, because you know, they save space, obviously.
Nice.
And that's the bathroom, yeah.
Right. Double vanity.
Yes, you have a bathtub right there.
Excellent.
A shower right there. But if you don't want a bathtub, you just get rid of it.
So this was an off-plan unit. As you see, really nice finishing. Yeah. They give you a nice idea of what the villa you're going to purchase is going to look like. But some people do have that concern because what they're buying hasn't been built yet. So there might be concerns of like, is it going to look like this? Is the developer going to follow through with the project? Are they going to run away with their money? So how would you address these concerns for people who have them?
Generally, everyone has to do their own due diligence, right? You look up the developer itself and then see, okay, do they have a track record? Also get an agency involved that knows the market, so they know exactly, okay, what has the developer been doing, or what are they currently doing, and do they already have maybe customers that are happy with the developer? And then last but not least, of course, get a lawyer involved, right? So they do the proper due diligence.
Fair enough. Now, another thing people might ask is like, okay, brand new units, they look nice and all, but maybe I can get better value for my money buying a unit from the secondary market, maybe a resale unit. What do you say to them?
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna look at one of these units, how they look like after a few years later, right? So you can see for yourself. It is still nice, it's good quality, and then it really depends on what you're looking for. If you look, you know, many people are coming here to Hua Hin saying, okay, I'm gonna purchase the very last property of my life, so I don't wanna make a compromise. I want to make it perfect to suit my needs, right? So I want to choose the tiles, I want to choose the kitchen, I want the pool flipped that way, I want it longer, etc. So that's the benefit.
And so with that, I think the best way to compare is to actually see a unit. And so we're gonna go to a villa by the same developer.
Same developer, 6 years old, Mali residence. Let's go.
Let's do it.
So we're now at the Mali Residence project, which is from the same developer, Orchid Palm Homes. This particular property is around 6 years old now, same specs, so like 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, asking price 7.9 million. Let's have a look.
Let's do it. Nice lawn, sink outside for some outdoor cooking.
So yeah, you walk in and in the living area. The place is selling fully furnished. What I think is always nice to understand is why would people actually buy a resale property when they could have the exact same property off plan, brand new, right? So I think it's important to understand that these ones are in an established development. So basically, okay, what is going to happen around me? Nothing, right? Because there's no construction noise going to be. You can see what you get, and normally also the older properties tend to be a little bit more spacious, like in terms of plot size. So this one's a 556 square meter plot.
And it's in really good condition.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, very well maintained.
I'm a big fan of these tiles. Wood optic.
Yeah, this is the 1 bathroom right over here.
Exactly, so that's the shared bathroom for the 2 bedrooms right there.
Yeah. Let's just have a look at this bedroom here. Well, I hope they include this artwork. Some of this is really
nice. They do indeed, yeah.
Okay, nice. Closet, bed, little desk, and this would be the master.
That's right. Comes with built-in furniture and ensuite.
Overlooking the pool.
Yes. So for the bathroom, you can see, right, when you buy off plan, you have the option of having a bathtub and a shower. In this case, the owner chooses to only have a shower. It's really up to your liking.
So let's actually talk about what kind of lifestyle can we expect from Hua Hin?
Well, Hua Hin is a pretty laid-back life, as you know. You have a huge elderly community, but it's also getting younger, I feel, right? Like myself moving here, so because you have here a lot of outdoor activities, kite surfing, golfing obviously being one of the main ones.
And there's a lot of nice natural scenery too, like mountains and like national parks and all like that.
Exactly, yeah.
So far, we've been touring villas that are within like the $250,000 range. So the next villa that we're gonna see, we're gonna step up the budget a little bit, and we're gonna see something at around 12.9 million baht, right?
Yeah, around 12 million-ish.
Yeah. Which is around 380,000 US dollars.
Yeah. So we're now at Ban Putara, which is in the Hin Thai district, pretty close to Black Mountain area, so like one of the most famous and popular golf courses here. And it's an eco-village, and you will see why.
All right.
So I'm going to show you the executive type, which is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom pool villa on a pretty spacious plot. So this one's been sold already, but it serves the purpose for as a show house, right?
I mean, dude, this looks great. This wide open lawn here.
Yeah.
This pool in the backdrop here. This feels surreal. It feels like you're in a different country, not Thailand. We got a caveat that we've got some stuff lying around here that's bunched up here because this is the show unit. So bear with us.
The guy hasn't moved in, right? So yeah, that's the living area.
Tall ceiling here with the fan up top.
That's the kitchen, which is obviously customizable again.
Much more spacious compared to the previous one. Let's go to this room here.
Okay, that's the master, as you can see.
Okay. Overlooking your outdoor garden pool.
Double glazing, you have fly screens obviously all over here, so it's a different type of fly screens.
Excellent.
And that's the walk-in closet.
I will say...
Probably for the missus rather than the...
Yeah, look at this rotating shoe collection. I will say the money shot of this place is this vantage point right here. Have a look at that.
Even though being very nice, you'd be surprised how many people don't want that bathtub.
Really?
Yes. They say we're in Thailand, we don't need a bathtub, really.
That's true, yeah.
But again, I mean, it's a spectacular feature here, right? With the window and nice pool in the background.
Amazing.
So there's 2 more bedrooms. But we start off with the laundry room slash utility room. There's an additional either your little office space, or if you buy off plan, you take away that wall, make it a larger space, right? Or even connect it to this bathroom. So this is the first guest room, I would say. You can access the terrace here.
And it opens up to that cooking area that you mentioned earlier. Wow, I mean, this is next level. This really makes your budget really go farther. And wow, there's another really large bathroom here for this bedroom.
The sliding doors here, right, to save some space. So this is a Jack and Jill, accessible from the second bedroom slash guest room.
Yeah, and it looks to me like all the bedrooms, it has access to the garden outside
so
there.
That's their plan, right? So it's this T-form layout that we have here. So instead of having the boring L shape that many people do, so they have this
feel that breeze coming in.
Yeah, you're 50 meters above sea level here, so you always get a nice breeze. So some of the features that you can't see here, I want to touch on real quick. So for instance, they have underground pest control. There's a piping system underneath the house. They have you can see right there, 3 kilowatt solar system, which is included as a standard. You can always add to that. So this one roughly covers the cost of running the pool pump. They have a rainwater harvesting system, so they collect the rainwater.
Nice.
And for instance, use it for the sprinkler system that you can't see.
So this is what you're talking about when you said earlier about the eco-friendly design with the housing and all like that.
Right.
Really cool. You got a outdoor shower for your pool, obviously. So what are some ways that non-Thais can own landed property in Thailand?
Yeah, so either you lease it from the developer or a Thai national, could be your spouse, could even be your children or a Thai friend, or you buy it freehold through a company, a Thai limited company, but you want to make sure to consult with a reputable lawyer on that one.
And we understand that some people may want to just own their property outright via freehold, and you can do that with a condo currently in Thailand. There might be some laws in the future that are coming on. They're pretty promising that allow foreigners to own landed property. We'll see, but in the meantime, if you want to own property freehold, you can only do that with condos, and that's what we're going to see next. Is we're going to look at a condo that is a resale unit in a building that they can't build like this anymore, right next to the beach. Very rare find.
Welcome to Ban Seng Tan. So this is in the Khao Takiap area, just a 5-minute drive to the famous Chikada night market. As you can see, beachfront condominium. It's like roughly 30 years old, a little over. That's the common pool, and yeah, you can see the sea just in the back.
You can just walk to the beach from this condo here.
You can just jump over the wall, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's a really, really rare amenity you have here. So let's have a look at the unit that you're going to see. This is an interesting entrance here. Definitely.
So that's the unit. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom here. Bit of a unique design, I would say.
Look at this wallpaper. So this is the first bedroom here.
Exactly, so that's the guest bedroom. As you can see, the owner isn't staying here at the moment.
But obviously, when buying a second-hand unit like this, it's all up for renovation. Right?
Exactly,
that's in play as well. So let's have a look at the kitchen. You've got an island here.
Pretty standard, green. Not necessarily my color, but again, you can change it if you want.
Absolutely.
And then you walk into this open living room, and obviously that's the main selling point.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, I have to say the main selling point is this unobstructed view.
Yeah.
The beach is right there.
And that's one of Hua Hin's landmarks, Khao Takiap, which is also known as the Monkey Mountain here for foreigners. And yeah, you mentioned the unobstructable view. So actually, this building being one of an older one, as mentioned before, the view cannot be obstructed anymore because
because they can't build anymore. They're limited to this.
Here on the beachfront, so they can't build high-rise condominiums anymore. So that will be your view forever.
Yeah, that's a really good selling point of this unit. And the balcony also wraps around this way here. Let's look at the bedroom real quick. And obviously there's furniture here, but it can be removed like you said, and renovated and all like that. So,
yeah, but it's spacious enough, I'd say.
And here's a
funky bathroom, but with a view.
So that was the unit, but obviously living in a condo, you get to enjoy some really nice facilities too. Namely, where are you going to take us now?
Yeah, to the roof deck.
All right. After
All right, here we are.
Okay, rooftop deck. Wow.
The roof deck.
This is almost a 360 view because you've got back there.
And people use it for yoga sessions very often in the morning. So quite a nice feature to have.
Great, so we covered this secondhand renovated condo in a building right next to the beach that you can't build these anymore. Not many places where you can have a deck-side yoga session. But afterwards, we're now gonna go look at a brand new condo development. It's not gonna be by the beach because you can't do that anymore. It's a bit inland, but we're gonna show you now what to expect from a new property, a new kind of condo unit in Hua Hin.
So we're now on the 25th floor of the Holiday Inn Resort, which is right next to the Vananava water park. And I'm going to introduce you to Kun B now, who's the sales manager of Proud Estate, the developer of that project.
Sure. Kun B, sawadee krab.
Kun B, sawadee krab.
Okay, so welcome to 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom with a size 56 square meter. So this is gonna be the second bedroom. We have two choices for the customer. So this is the platform like this with the built-in closet. Or take the platform out and we put a queen size bed here with the built-in closet until the floor.
Right, and then you've got screens here so you can close it for privacy. Nice, and then that person would be using this bathroom here.
Yes, right, correct. And this is gonna be the wall. Because this is show unit, we show you that you can see just the glass to show the shower.
Okay, but this would usually be an actual wall.
Yes, right, correct.
Okay, great.
And we offer the sofa and built-in for the television and built-in for the kitchen.
And this is the master bedroom here?
Yes, master bedroom here, very special with the bathtub.
Ah, ensuite.
Yes.
So that's a shower.
Yeah.
But the bathtub is
here.
Right here.
Yeah, very sexy bathtub.
Very sexy bathtub with that very
with
sexy view. Yeah, you've got some public transportation right here.
Yes, it takes about 1 hour from Bangkok in the future because now they start building the fast train here, the way to here.
So in the future, this would connect to Bangkok. You get off here and you just be able to come to this condo right here.
Yes, right. You jump in and jump out and you here. Yeah.
What are some other future developments that we can expect from Hua Hin?
We're gonna develop the airport to like a bigger and more comfortable. So Kuala Lumpur and Chiang Mai they're gonna have the direct flight to Hua Hin. They're gonna have the highway from Bangkok to Thai Yang.
Yeah, because when I drove here for this video, it took me 3 hours, Rama, to
by drive.
Yeah, and so that is going to shorten the time so much, and it's going to make Hua Hin a much more accessible city to Bangkokians. Kun B, khop kun mak krab. Thank you so much for giving us info of this place. We're going to go back to Christian to thank Christian for today. Thank you so much for showing us all these wonderful gems. And yeah, are you happy to do this with anyone who's interested in property in Hua Hin?
Obviously, yeah. Thanks for coming by, Dad. And obviously, if anyone needs some advice or any help, please feel free to reach out to him.
And you can reach out by seeing the link in the video description or go to jetgunther.com and you'll see a summary of all the services I provide and how to reach out. Guys, thank you so much for watching and I wish you all the best in your real estate finding journey.